People worldwide really only understand a small part of climate change. They understand that the temperature and weather patterns are changing, but they don't understand why or what they can do to prevent it. For example, when people see cars and trucks driving down the highway, a lot only see another person driving somewhere. They can't see the carbon dioxide that's getting produced that's causing the climate change. And as a result, they don't realize that driving has negative effects on the environment. Yet another major contributing factor is heating of homes. When people get cold, they go inside and crank up the heat without a second thought. They don't realize how much CO2 his house produces. Also, trees, once a regulator of the dioxide, are being cut down in mass numbers, leaving Mother Nature defenseless against the dioxide. There are tremendous consequences from living this way. There will be extreme weather, warm winters, and excessive heat, leading to the disappearance of fish and a change in the whole ecosystem. In the future, climate change will cause droughts, flash flooding, and heat waves, with an increase of temperature and a decrease in precipitation. Droughts will be a common occurrence. Rivers, streams, and swamps, like this one, will all dry up. There will be less rain, but the rain that would come in storms so strong and severe that flash flooding would sweep the area. Each storm would bring multiple inches in less than a day. Extreme heat is also in the foreseeable future for Door County, with many days reaching 100 plus and even more reaching 90 plus. Door County will notice drastic temperature changes. Climate change also contributes to fish disappearance in many different ways. With warming of waters, certain fish species disappear. Trout and salmon that like the cold would be non-existent in Wisconsin. Also, with the decrease in water levels in streams and creeks, the ecosystem that provides food and habitat would go away, killing off the other fish that don't mind the warm water. With the absence of native fish species, invasives that are better suited for the heat would explode and take over. Warm winters means bad news for outdoor enthusiasts. Less snow cover means no skiing, snowmobiling, and hunters will have a harder time seeing their deer. Ice conditions will go down with the winter quality, meaning no more ice fishing. If people want to cease these irreversible changes to the climate, they must do something to stop it. People could carpool to reduce emissions, or even walk if they're close enough to their destination. And people could wear a few extra blankets in their house instead of cranking up the heat. Another thing that anyone could do is plant a tree. If everyone planted an extra tree in an open space in their yard, Earth could regain a filter for the dioxide, leading to fewer changes in the climate. For more information on climate change, click on the link below.